Hello? This is Titan Construction, and today's video is when animals think no one's watching. Enjoy watching!
What are you doing?
This dog isn't angry at all, it's just its normal face with a bit of curiosity toward the camera in front. This family of pigs is hungry and they're going to eat up the potted plants in front of this house.
Dude, I just heard some. Were you trying to get my groceries? Oh, nope. Hi. I'm glad I caught you. How are you? How's it going? Yeah, I got my groceries before you did this time. All right.
A dog born from a tree?
Hi.
Got him. He'll bring him out and set him down gently.
Oh my God!
This pair of dogs was happily playing on the swing. Then the black dog noticed someone was watching them. Two little mice fighting. The loser will be eaten by the nearby cat, and the winner will gain freedom. Sue this bird for property damage. Actually, this dog is way too smart.
Go! Alright, we got the door open.
Oh my God.
We got the door open.
Oh my God. Close it.
We got him out. It's for the oh my God, bro.
Oh my God. No. It's going for the other. No way.
Hey, man! Hey, man!
Get the out of here.
Get out of here!
What's up? Whoa, you got some height. Got some height, boy. Look at you. Got some height. Yeah.
He's a pain in the neck, isn't he?
Just like us humans waking up in bed every morning. This turtle is so fast.
Alles gut?
A new cleaner, but a bit too furry and a little scary.
เห็นแล้ว Quiere comer. Quiere ladrar. Quiere ladrar.
Yeah, I gotta have it in my backyard, yo. My dog trying to get into it. I gotta get a bee. Yo, I got a whole rabbit back here, yo.
This is normal in Australia. A cat happily playing with a young kangaroo. Two big cows but scared of a balloon. What the hell, bro, what are you thinking? A new toy that cats absolutely love.
Randy? What are you doing, little bud? You grooming yourself? Or just sitting there with your belly out? Oh my God. Randy, you gotta put yourself together. What are you doing?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
He's training for the 2026 International Olympics.
Oh my God, he's gonna look at him, look at him, he's balling it up, he's balling it up. Oh my God, he's gonna run away with this pashmina. Oh, babe, say goodbye to this pashmina. Look at him, he's making a ball out of it.
You're taking a picture?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that too.
No. Oh.
That's my fucking pashmina.
Get inside. Get inside. Oh my God. Oh my.
This is how big animals scratch themselves. They rub their backs against a tree trunk.
Rusty, What are you doing? I see you. Oh, hey there. Hey, Chewy. What are you guys doing? All right, stay. Oh, hi.
Legless animals are always the ones we fear.
This is murder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Get that thing off my house. Oh, hell no, it's going toward my windows.
Oh, heck no.
Did you call her?
She answered.
Oh my God.
They truly are best friends.
Nope. Nope.
This speed really isn't that fast, my friend.
His legs were ridiculous. He's gonna do it for me.
Come on. Come on. I won't hurt. Just keep going.
Randy? What are you doing, little bud? You grooming yourself? Or just sitting there with your belly out? Oh my God. Randy, you gotta put yourself together.
This thing? Hey, get out of here. Is it that time?
It really is an amazing helper.
Oh, my furniture! My furniture!
And that was the final clip of today's video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like, so you'll be the first to see the next video.